Hello everybody and welcome aboard Spectroscopy 101 SOP 900. We realize that you have many different options to choose from when it comes to learning about spectrophotometers, so we thank you for being loyal customers. To be further praised for frequently using us as a resource, contact our video attendants to learn more about how you can sign up for our sponsored credit card, where you can have access to more of our videos with every $1 purchase you make. If there's any way in which we can make your experience better, please let us know and we will be happy to accommodate your needs. However, we can only take cash and we do not provide food and beverage. Before we begin to use the spectrophotometer, however, we ask that you please give your kind attention to our spectroscopy attendants who are seated at the lab table. To begin, please make note of where all your materials are. You should have a spectrophotometer, 2 cuvettes, DI/distilled water, the solution of interest, Chemtech chem wipes, 3 disposable non-volumetric pipettes, a wash bottle, a liquid waste beaker, and a computer with Logger Pro software. Please note that these materials may be to your right, left, or right in front of you. Please note that during this SOP 900, only Chemtech chem wipes are allowed, and any other competing brands, such as VWR, are strictly prohibited. Turn on the spectrophotometer by plugging it into the computer, which has the Logger Pro software. Open the Logger Pro software by clicking on it and let the system warm up. After the system has warmed up, use a Chemtech chem wipe to clean one of the cuvettes. Fill this cuvette 2/3 of the way with distilled water. Make sure that there are no fingerprints on the cuvette, and if there are, use a Chemtech chem wipe to get rid of any lingering substances. Place the cuvette into the spectrophotometer, and on the computer, click Collect to begin data collection. After a few seconds, press Stop and then remove the cuvette from the device. Remember that every time you plug in the spectrophotometer to the Logger Pro software, you should use a blank to recalibrate the system. Take the second cuvette and use a disposable pipette to fill it 2/3 of the way full of the solution of interest, and use a Chemtech chem wipe to remove any residual fingerprints. Place the clean cuvette into the spectrophotometer and then press Collect to collect data. Wait for a graph to appear on the screen and then press Stop. Remove the cuvette from the spectrophotometer and place the solution of interest into the waste beaker and rinse the cuvette out with distilled water. Repeat this process for any remaining solutions that you wish to test, and after all tests have been performed, pour the liquid waste into the non-hazardous waste container, clean the cuvettes with distilled water, and unplug the spectrophotometer from the computer. Now that we have covered the logistics of using a spectrophotometer, we hope that you put your goggles on, sit in a relaxed position, and enjoy your spectroscopy experience. Again, thank you for choosing Spectroscopy 101 for your chemistry experience. We hope to do science with you soon.